right now.
Live streaming is on.
Okay. So we are on YouTube.
Now, let me send you the link in the chat.
Does it work on iPad and on mobile? Yeah, I guess it's
Yeah. So now on from this,
for sure.
see, you can from here. And now what I'll do is I'll give you a link also. So from this, you can you see my screen?
Yeah.
In this, I'll in the chat, I will drop this in this chat. Should I email you? You want to open this from your mobile phone or something?
No, it's okay. I can. That's fine. Yeah, I see the YouTube live stream.
Yeah. So I sent you the link. Can you open that link on another computer or any place you want?
Yeah, I can hear myself on YouTube and I can see everything. Yeah.
Where did you get the link?
On the chat.
Here. Okay. Are you?
I see it. I see it. I didn't see the icon.
Yeah, it would be good if there's a little red button, red icon that would show up to say there's one message on the chat.
Okay. Here when I send a message.
Okay, and you can add. You can invite people as the organizer. You can also embed the meeting in a web browser. Okay, yeah. So people, yeah. Okay, that's interesting. I can see you. Cool.
Within that, I can members can start a YouTube. So if you have a pre-recorded YouTube video, you can, let's say people start joining and you want to do some advertise or have an opening session which is pre-recorded. You can play that. You can play as a YouTube video.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. And I can share my screen in the same time as you.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's good.
I can. I'm sharing my screen and I am on video also. If you,
yeah, I see that. I'm sharing my screen as well, and I can see yours. I can see mine. I can see Marine also, but she's not sharing.
It's very nice, and it seems that it doesn't have a lot of latency between the from here to YouTube. Quick question regarding the platform itself. So when you're on the lounge, is there any networking features available?
There's so in that we can have a networking session by default added. So people can join networking session, and in that they can have a audio or a video chat.
Mm-hmm.
If you just need the chat in the lounge, I can add that.
Okay, so we can embed a chat in the lounge. And do you have the availability to see who else is in the event?
Yes, we will add that. Who are in the event, and they can have a networking. So we will create a separate networking either room where people come in the lounge and go into the networking area, and there they can chat and see who are there. So lounge is more like a reception right now. So it's a reception. And then within reception, we will have a networking area. So you will click on networking, and then you will see who is attended, and then do the chatting there.
Okay.
And so this is a session in the event, but if I click on join the event, it's the same thing, right? If I say join event, I get access to the same to the same concept, or is more like a plenary type where I access only as an observer?
Yes, we can do as a you can make them moderator. So if you want to make somebody moderator, you can make them moderator, and or if somebody is joining as a attendee, and you can restrict their right whether they can speak. You can mute them. You can also There are other features we are adding, like disabling chat. So
Okay.
if you want to disable chat, you can disable chat in your sessions, or you want to have people do question answer. We are adding poll. We are also adding like a drawing board where you can explain some concepts. So some of these features are in pipeline,
Okay.
and will be released every month. One of these features will come in.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. Let me show you the multilingual feature as well. So this event management software will try and change that into a French language.
Sorry, can you say that again?
I'm showing you event management software. So we are adding multilingual facility, so you can change this event management software into any other language. So I'll give you a demo of the French language. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's great. I don't think French will be needed because we mainly use English for all of our events. However, do you have any, or is it a work in progress to embed any translation, simultaneous translation tool?
Okay. Translation tool means auto translation. If speaker is so.
For example, if you're speaking in English and I want to listen in French, or vice versa.
Well, that's a good ask. If you need that, we will be planning these features to be released. So right now we don't have that.
Okay, thanks. It's not a must for us right now, but I know it's something I've seen in other platform, which is more of a nice to have than a must have.
So right now, yeah, the translation is not there. But yeah, thanks for asking that. That's a good one to have. Let me.
Yeah, so I guess it's a separate feed that a translator could join the meeting. They could hear and then speak on that feed, and when people select that feed, they would hear that audio. I don't think you would have to hire a translator. I think people would either need to come with their translator, or the event owner would have to hire the translator. But I don't think it would be a translation from the system. It's more different feeds. Unless there's a robot that can translate what we say, but I don't think that's possible still.
It will not be accurate, yeah. There will be robot APIs, but it will be slower.
Yeah.
I think Google is releasing. So if somebody is using Google APIs, they may be using some of the robot from Google.
Wow.
So just so you know, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see the Google. Sorry, the language. Sorry.
So if you have users who are non-English speakers, and if you want to have registration site and this site in a non-English, so we can add any language you like. So this software will change. Although Marine said this is not needed, but I just wanted to show you.
It's all great. Thank you very much for sharing the demo. I'm just mindful of the timing, and Madia and I would have to jump to another call quickly. I think it's. Thank you for sharing your platform. It does look really nice, and I think it's for me it looks great because it's quite simple, easy, it's user friendly, it's not too complex either. I think you kept it to a very how can I put it, like, because we've seen platform and they try to add so many features that it becomes very complex, but I think it remains like very efficient in terms of for a user. So it's a very good platform. Thank you very much.
Sure. Thank you, Marine. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Niraj. Thank you. Yeah, we'll have to jump to another call, so we'll contact you later.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, you too. Thanks. Bye.